Hey, what's up guys? Thanks for coming back to the channel and checking out another video. Hope you are enjoying the content. I hope you are very safe out there, especially with the whole COVID thing still going on. I just would like to go back to normal, everyday life without having to wear the mask, of course, but it's become the new normal, so I think we all can agree or agree to disagree that it sucks. Anyway, thanks for coming back to the channel, guys. Tonight, I'm going to finalize my series on Beard of God. It's a little series, I went over the oils and I went over the butters. In this video, I'm going to go over the beard wash. This company, like I said, is Beard of God, all natural products, ingredients rather. I've had nothing but good experience with this company. The customer service is top notch. The husband and wife are very, very nice, super willing to tell you what's in the products, super willing to tell you what's coming up. And with this beard wash, they have a new formula that they made. So this will be the old formula, I believe. What I liked about this is it has a minty type sense to it, and the look of it. It kind of looks like I don't know, like a titanium type liquid. It's pretty awesome. And this is the beard wash. No parabens, GMOs, handcrafted, and facial deliciousness. And that is the beard wash. And I don't know if you guys will be able to see it, but look at that color. It kind of looks like a titanium color. Let me shake it up real quick. I don't know. It's like got a silver tone to it. And it's just a really cool looking beard wash. The question is, did it clean my beard? Did it pull all my natural oils off? And the answer is yes, it did. After I used it, it didn't leave my beard like all rough feeling, dry feeling. I felt like I can get out of the shower and run a comb through it with minimal knots. Of course, I'm not going to say without knotting up because that's impossible. But minimal knots using their beard wash. Like I said, this is an old recipe. I believe they have a new recipe with different ingredients, I want to say. But I would definitely recommend this company to anybody. The beard oils and the beard butters are absolutely amazing. Buttery smooth. The scents are absolutely amazing. They last long. The authenticism of the scents. I think it was the Cuban pipe tobacco. That was like pure authentic. Like someone just let a fresh Cuban cigar right next to you and was smoking it. It was just really, really good scent. And like I said, this scent, it's got that like mentholy type scent. It's not real overpowering. It's not too weak. It's just like you're chewing a piece of gum, but like a half a stick of peppermint gum, we'll say. You don't get that full peppermint typey smell, if that makes sense. But anyway, Beard of God beard wash. And this will wrap up my small series of Beard of God. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I'm sure I will be doing more in the future. I'd like to say thank you to the owners of Beard of God for sending all the products that they did. I really appreciate it. Guys, all the links will be in the description below, including the links to the other videos I did. Hope you enjoyed it. If you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe. If you liked the video and you learned just a little bit, hit that thumbs up. Until the next video, guys, peace.